Hi friends, I am Asit Tiwari. Today in the 11th history, the themes in world history, the book, and where our second lesson has been started. This is our next video lecture in this lesson, writing in the city life. Today we are going to study about the Mesopotamia, the city between the rivers. Means Meso means middle, and you know very well Potamus means the rivers, means the land between the rivers, because this city means Mesopotamia, which was will say found between the two rivers like the Euphrates and the Tigris. These were the two rivers, even they are the two rivers and they are flowing in this region. Actually Mesopotamia, if you see the physical location in present time of the Mesopotamia, you can find it in the countries near the Iran. Means I am telling about the Iraq. Iraq was called in the old times the Mesopotamia, the very furnished and flourished civilizations of the world. This was the first civilization where the writing skills was developed. This was the first civilization where the civic life was developed, and many of the other will say improvement was seen in this civilization. This civilization was very old, means 5,000 years old from the will say before the birth of Christ. So this is very important things about this lesson. Mesopotamia, which has been developed, and it also making the kind of improvement in the other civilizations, because there were a lot of evidences which were found in the nearby of the civilizations like the Indus civilizations, like the you will say Hango civilizations, and many of the other civilizations like the Egypt culture. Many of the civilizations where the you will say evidences of the Mesopotamia were found. Even you can find also the relation between the Indus culture, Indus civilizations, Egypt, and so many other civilizations where they have also the kind of evidences in the Mesopotamia. So it is very important things. So you know very well, I have told it already, the Mesopotamia, the land between the two rivers like the Euphrates and the Tigris. These were the two rivers, and you know very well the Mesopotamia is now present time known as Iraq. Iraq means the country of the disputes, the country of the disturbance, because in 1990, after 1990, USA also attacked in Iraq to destroy you will say Iraq and its influence over the petroleum. Especially they had targeted Saddam Hussein. Even he was also the you will say murdered or killed by the USA. Mesopotamia, this civilization was very flourished for the prosperities of the city life, rich literature, and mathematics and astronomy. Especially if you talk about the education, so the first civilization in the world where the education system was developed systematically, means they had developed the digits, the numbers. They had also developed the first time in the world any civilizations where the script was developed, script was introduced. So it is only the civilizations where the script means you will say likhni, the writing you will say system, which was developed in Mesopotamia. So this is very important information about the Mesopotamia, and we will also discover in the whole lesson. This is our second video lecture, so I am only making the understanding of the Mesopotamia, because we have to go through all the things about the Mesopotamia. Writing system and literature, it was developed 2000 BCE, before the birth of Christ era. This is the other name of the BC. It was spreaded to the eastern Mediterranean, northern Syria and the Turkey. This is the location at the north of Africa, you will say also, and in Syria you can find also at the northeastern side of the you will say Africa, you can find the Syria, and Turkey you can find also it at the north of Africa. So these are the countries mostly you can find them at the north of Africa and above the equator line. So these are very important you will say country or the area where this system was spreaded, and this also not spreaded but also its result were very different, such as all the empires they were writing also one another to you will say their information, their other things, and even Pharaoh, the king of Egypt, they have also the relation from the Mesopotamia's kings. Language and the script of the Mesopotamia, which was developed, not only it was developed, but also it has developed to the other script of the other civilization. Means they had also imitated the way of script, and they also developed, they also introduced their writing system, they also introduced their different type of the language system. Then they had developed their script, and this script was firstly developed or evolved in Mesopotamia. Obviously it was the kind of blessing, kind of the boons for the other civilizations. And writing flourished from Mesopotamia first time in the world. That is very important thing. Means first time in the world ever when the writing system was developed, the script system was developed. It is only the place, the Mesopotamia. First known language, the Sumerian, which was related by the Akkadian to 2400 BCE. Because Akkadian, when they come to this region Sumeria, so they had replaced this language, and this language was replaced by the Akkadian language, and then this language flourished till the arrival of Alexander. Because Alexander the Great, he came to India at the time of 326 BCE, means at the time of Chandragupta Maurya. So this is very important information, and you should keep it also. Aramaic developed similar to Hebrew. Aramaic is a language which was developed similar to the Hebrew, and Hebrew is the language which is widely spoken after 1000 BCE. Hebrew is the such language which is spoken in some parts of the Latin America, Africa, and still it is spoken in some parts of Iraq. That is very important thing. At present time, if you find the Hebrew language where it is spoken, obviously you can tell it is Iraq. So that is very important information. If you find the location of Mesopotamia, at the north there is the Assyria, because Assyrians came to this region at the time of 1100 BCE. And if you find the Sumer, so Sumer were found at the south of Mesopotamia. This is Mesopotamia. Okay, student. At the south of Mesopotamia, you can find the Sumer. Sumer, they came and then Akkadian, they had come. Babylonians, they also came there at the time of 2000 BCE. So famous city which was Uruk and the Mari. Uruk, especially the name over the moon. Actually, moon were their god, and over the name of Ur, they had called their famous city the Uruk. Actually, they also called all the cities over the name of their famous deities. Deities means the gods which were come from the natural forces. Sources of the study: the buildings, the statues, the ornaments, the graves, the tool, the seal, written document. Especially I will focus over the seal. First time in the world where the seal system was developed in Mesopotamia. Because seal means if you want to you will say emphasize something over something legally, so that is the seal. Seal means it is making the things authentic. So seal system was developed in Mesopotamia. That is very important thing. So hope student you enjoyed this lesson. If any kind of the problems, you can also communicate with me, and surely should not stop to make the comment over the lecture. It will also not only encourage me, but also I can improve my, you will say, way of just telling the, you will say, lesson to all the students. Thank you student to listen me and watching me.